On April 24th, 2022, at approximately 6:07 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were in the alley behind at Midland Avenue investigating a call about a suspicious vehicle. Moments after the officer arrived on scene, he was attacked by a Pitbull. The attack came without warning and was completely unprovoked. It happens fast, so pay attention.
Fuck out of here. God damn it. Fuck out of here.
Go. Come here. Over here. Motherfucker, come here. What the fuck is wrong with you? No.
Ah, shit.
You right, man?
Get his info. Get their info.
I don't even know my dog. No. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Leave the dog in the house. I need you to come back out. I need your info.
Forbid my dog.
You tell him that was me? You tell him it was me?
Whose dog is it?
193. I just had a Pitbull take a chunk out of my leg.
81 Midland?
Yeah. Copy.
Who's the dog? Who's the name?
Hey, Sarge, I got bit by a Pitbull.
We brought him in because we didn't want him out here messing with you guys. The bottom of the fence is busted. I apologize. I'm sorry. Do I get you anything? Like, are you good?
I mean, not much you guys can do for me, but he took a...
Why is he in your house? And he lives there with her.
Shit.
Let me stay
Nikki Renee what?
I've got
You know her well enough to keep her dog, but you don't know her name?
Animals don't do anything wrong. I mean, obviously,
clearly,
yeah.
Dude, ripped in the muscle, man.
Should I get you anything, man? Like,
I'm good, man. I got a medic coming.
Do you want water or anything?
No.
Yeah, I got some vaccine spray. If you want to use that real quick.
No,
You pull your cruiser up and you can sit on it?
That's alright. I'm just going to stay like
I'm
this.
lucky the dog didn't get shot. Where's... You live in the north? The north half of this duplex?
Honestly, I thought he was on a chain. I didn't know he was like... I probably would have done something about it. They ran back in the yard, or they...
Hey, 193, that dog still loose or is still contained in your area?
Isn't it?
It's still... They have not secured it.
It's contained. Copy.
Rip right in the muscle. You guys do me a favor, bro. Pull up 190. I want to sit on the push bumper.
Alright, animals are on the way.
Did you just come right out?
Yeah, I was just walking up. I thought the dog was on a chain. I heard it coming. It just like...
Kept on coming.
Oh yeah, kept on coming and grabbed right onto my calf. Ripped the damn muscle out.
I'm surprised you didn't shoot it. Didn't have time.
Well, I mean, I wasn't worried about it.
Turn and run?
Well, I started kicking at it.
Oh.
Hey, Paul, help me out, man.
Animal control.
So you ready to cut off and do that, please?
No, they're going to take it, man. They're going to take that dog.
Can we shut this
Yeah,
door?
but remember the husk got me in the butt.
Hey, copy, 5745.
I mean, did it rip into your butt muscle? Like, I mean, my muscle is literally showing. I got a piece of my muscle on my boot.
Can you shut that door? You ain't got no muscle in there.
That's my, yeah.
That's your skin.
You're right.
30 Just Kroger 2161 Eakin Road. About 20 minutes old now. Be my wife, long hair, great coat.
Dude, that's my muscle on my boot.
That's not good.
No, it's not.
Picked up a non-shipped vehicle with no direction of travel.
Dude, it like ripped right in my calf. I'm like, what the fuck? I thought it was on the chain. I thought it was on the leash. Like, I wasn't like, all right. But it came right out, snagged my calf. I'm like, motherfucker, man. I started kicking at it to get it away because it kept like trying to bite at me. And then these two guys, they come out and grab the dog. What's up?
Hey man, it's going.
Well,
Yeah.
Where'd he get you at?
Right here on the calf. That's my muscle on my boot.
Yeah, he did. He got you pretty good.
Yeah, he got me good.